Facebook is very notorious because of frequent, unimaginable ad restrictions, advertisement restrictions. It happens with almost all advertisers all the time, but he does it for valid reasons. There are some rules, some policies, some guidelines that we as advertisers must follow. And sometimes it is big, intentional, but sometimes it is unintentional, and because of having not having not having knowledge of the rules. I see, and it happens with me most of the time, that one ad or some ads are disapproved because of misrepresentations of the fact, misrepresentation of the advertisement, misrepresentation in the creative. You know, first thing first, it is logical to have a call to action on creative, on ad image in videos. But if it is in text as a sentence, as a phrase, it is okay. Facebook will not disapprove your ad for this reason. But if you show a button on an image, a CTA, call to action button on an image, and it seems to the, it looks to the audience that it is a clickable button, it is a misrepresentation of on the image, because that image is not clickable. Similarly, if you add a video thumbnail, an image with a play button, and it is not an video, so that can also be disapproved. Because even if you add an custom thumbnail on your video, you don't need to put a play button on that thumbnail, because Facebook will always show the play button on that ad video. So you don't need to add buttons on your image. Even if you want to highlight, if you want to highlight that part, that call to action phrase, you can simply have a highlighter on that, those texts, or a box or anything, but you should not make it like 3D, like an web page, website button, or anything like that, because that is not allowed. The next part in the misrepresentation is when you use one creative, but the ad copy, the text in your ad, does not does not talk about that image, that creative. Like you, uh, and And also that if that image and that creative and the ad copy is related, but the landing page where the person goes and it is not related to the ad or the ad image, it is very harmful for your ad quality. The next thing, the last thing what I want to talk about, because there are many CTA you can use in Facebook and that Facebook ad, and that is provided by Facebook itself. So you should use appropriate button in your ads. If you want to have a page like ad, it is automatically have a has a like button. If you want to generate post engagement, those engagement or reaction button is already provided by Facebook. So see, the Facebook does not change those buttons and the texts or the design of those buttons. So if you are using Messenger ad, you if it is possible, you must use message now or send message call to action in Messenger ads. If you are using lead form or you want to generate leads, you are taking the audience to a landing page where you give a form, you should use that type of thing. If it is a booking, you should have the book now button. If it is a download button, download type of ad or ebook download or something, then you should use download now button. If you are going to tell them about many things, you should use learn more button. If you are selling something like e-com or anything, course, you can use buy now, but people generally mostly use learn now button, learn more button, and that works. I think Facebook is lenient because every time someone goes to a landing page or someone shares with you their contact address, that means he wants to learn more and you are going to tell them more. So learn more button always works, but if you want to use other buttons, you must think about it. Think twice or thrice before using that button. It is not that you write something and then use any button like book now, like shop now or anything. That type of call now, you must not use unrelated type of button. And those buttons are very, very important. And if you are not sure which button is good, which button you should use, do not use any button. Even then, if someone clicks on your ad, he will land on that page, the landing page, the website home page, or the product page. So think about it before using a button.